Hi, I'm Neil from ABM International, and today I'm going to show you how to install your fully patented ACCUSTITCH stitch regulator. A photo sensor ACCUSTITCH stitch regulator plate, the motion controller for controlling the stitch length, a USB cable, USB power supply, foot pedal adapter cord, and a momentary foot pedal switch. Whether you have a recessed desk like this or a table like the ones behind me, you'll first need access to your machine. So you'll remove your base plate, and you'll use a flathead screwdriver and remove your flathead screws holding your needle plate to the machine. Don't lose your screws. Remove this assembly. Save your needle plate. Take your new ACCUSTITCH device. And there's a couple little pins here at the top edge of the ACCUSTITCH plate. It will engage the two notches in the needle plate that comes from your sewing machine manufacturer. Insert the side with the spring, and then the other side. Then slide your plate into position under your foot and replace your screws. On the back side of the motion controller device are double sticky tape dots. Remove the paper protectant and place it on the back of the machine above your base plate. Then the ribbon power cable, that communication cable that goes between the controller and the sensor plate, also has double sticky tape on it. Remove the backing paper. Make sure it's not pinched inside your needle plate. And attach it to the side of your machine. So that the ribbon cable is protected. On the far end of your motion controller box, you have 3 ports, one for the foot pedal, one for the USB power supply, and one for the foot pedal adapter cord. You will unplug your main machine provided foot pedal that came to you from Janome, Brother, Juki, or whatever brand of sewing machine you have. Unplug that. You will unwrap the tie on your foot pedal plug, your new foot pedal plug, for your single momentary switch foot pedal, and plug it in at the bottom of your motion controller. You will then take your USB power supply, plug it in the USB port on your motion controller. Be careful not to put it in upside down. Make sure you're putting it in with the flat side against the flat side of the socket, or you could break your motion controller socket. So be careful. Then take your foot pedal adapter cord, Plug it into the third and top port. And then plug it into your original foot pedal port on the back of your machine. Your domestic sewing machine comes with a variable speed foot pedal. It's an analog device. The more your foot presses on the foot pedal, the faster your machine sews. When quilting, it's very difficult because you're moving the fabric with your hands while controlling the speed of your sewing machine with your foot. It's kind of like that old thing where you're rubbing on your stomach and tapping your head and you can't seem to do it at the same time. So we use a momentary single action foot pedal switch, and it's just on or off. So you push your foot pedal on, and now as you move your fabric, the machine's speed will be regulated, maintaining exact stitch length. Place your momentary foot pedal switch on the floor. So after your ACCUSTITCH is fully installed, you need to drop your feed dog, install a 1/4 inch hopping foot for ruler work if you're doing ruler work, or a standard free motion hopping foot if you're just doing free motion with your hands. Lower your foot, take your ruler, place it on the base of your machine, press your foot pedal, and away you go. To decrease your stitch length on your ACCUSTITCH cruise control, slide your speed regulator to the right for a maximum of 15 stitches per inch. Or to increase the length of your stitches, slide your speed regulator slide bar to the left to 5 stitches to the inch.